Alright, so this just came in the mail, my new GoPro, so I can now have two angles instead of just one. So, it's the GoPro Hero 10 Black. I know they have the GoPro Hero 11, but holy crap, that thing's expensive. I got this thing on a phenomenal deal, brand new. I got it for $100 instead of the normal $350. Isn't that amazing? I also got a tripod, except the tripod, it's a portable battery, so there's the package, brand new, as I said. If you want me to make a video on all my knives, I can do that. Ooh, it comes in I didn't know it came in its own little package, or a case. It's exciting. Ooh boy. Alright, so there's the battery charger. Awesome. And there's the actual GoPro. That thing looks awesome. What are these on the bottom? Oh, I know. Oh, that's cool. So these on the bottom, hang on, let me. Alright. These on the bottom, they like fold out and under. Oh, that's so cool. So then you can have it like sit flat on something. That's really clever. I like that feature. I didn't know that was a thing. I assume there's like little like panels on the side, and I don't know what they're for. You know, let me actually read the instructions. So I see. I think I see. Anyway, let me just. All right. So yeah, this pops out, and it opens up. Oh boy. There's like this little thing on the side, and I don't know what it is. It's got to be for something. It's not a button. Anyway, here are the batteries. That's a lot of paper for instructions. Then there's also important safety instructions. Now, part of the product can say read and follow these important safety instructions. Yada 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 yada. Done. Read the whole thing. Didn't seem to come with any accessories, but that's okay because I've already got this whole like kit for like for mounting stuff, so that's fine. Put this back in here. Alright, next package. Tripod. Okay, anyway. Alright, so. Tripod. Okay. How do we... Alright. Here we go. I said, here we go. Oh, come on, what is holding you in there? What are you getting hung up on? Oh, I think I had it upside down. So yeah, here's the fun bit. It opens up. Ooh, I like that. It's nice and smooth. Feels good. It looks like you can also attach it to something. It also has like a. Ooh, listen to that click. Yeah. Look at this. Does it have power right now? It do indeed. 3 dots of power. What is this for? Is this like an extra cover? Oh! This goes onto the GoPro because the only cover it has is it doesn't have a hole for the charger. See? But with that on there, but how do you get that out? I'm gonna probably try not to break that. Does it? Yeah, we'll get back to that later.